Hi everyone, hope you are good. Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I will tell you how to on off the keyboard sound in Motorola G14. So for Motorola G14, if you want to turn on or you want to turn off the keyboard sound, I will tell you how to do it. Before I jump to the video, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's watch it and learn it.